don't count the number of blocks laid, but the lives touched. We were there and have been here. West Indies Home Contractors Limited.
I know my team could do it because we trained for it, we planned for it, and we was very comfortable going this race to get this record out of the way and out of the book.
Well, it's mean a lot. We trained very hard for this, so just come out here and do our best.
Last year you were beaten in the 4x4, so this year I came in with a task saying we will leave with both relays I'll be competing, and that's what we did.
Just now I know I would go so fast on my legs, so.
For me, it's a big thing because this is my last year in school, and I planned for this record, and I can't say nothing less than just thank God for everything.
Well, my main aim is to give them a good start, with a fast time so we could get the record.
Well, I'm a bit surprised knowing that I only came out here with a task to compete in both relays in a record run, but I'm just surprised with this MVP that I got. But I want to thank God that He gave me the strength to compete in both relays with a record run.
We don't count the number of blocks laid, but the lives touched. We were there and have been here. West Indies Home Contractors Limited.